12th standard English grammar. Now we are going to learn about question tag. First, what is the question tag? Then how will you identify that and how do you make it the question tag? Just I give a definition. A short response to the statement we offered is called question tag. A short response to the statement we offer is called, what is that? Question tag. Okay. For example, I give one example. He is Shyam. This is one statement. He is Shyam. Okay. How will you make the question tag? Isn't he? The question mark is important. And just to write correct question tag, one must identify the verb. If there is an auxiliary verb, the question tag will be the given auxiliary verb with contracted form of not. Yes. If we have positive statement, just we have to make it negative form. He is not Shyam, for example. This is negative form. He is not Shyam. So how will you make the question tag? He is Shyam. But I have given here he is Shyam. So this is positive. So question tag is not. Isn't he? So here subject is he. Suppose if we have subject is any one name, so we can use pronoun whether it is male or female. Here male, so he. Okay, he is Shyam. Isn't he? Because auxiliary verb is isn't he. Okay, just let me give a few examples. Auxiliary verbs, then question tag. Auxiliary verb and question tag. Is, isn't, or aren't. As I told you, if we have positive, here answer is negative. If we have negative form the statement, we can make it positive. Can, can't, could, couldn't, aren't, was, wasn't, were, weren't, have, haven't, has, hasn't, had, hadn't, shall, shan't, okay, short form of this word shan't, will, won't. Okay, so just I have given few examples of auxiliary verbs. Then how to make it the question tag? Okay, I have given it here. If the given verb is main verb, then you have to look at the tense of the verb. Yes, depending upon the tense, you have to write the question tag. For example, present tense, if you have the statement, you have to make it don't. How do you use that? If we have that main verb is present, okay, we have to make it don't. If we have present, for example, subject is third person singular, verb plus, yes, he walks fastly, walks. So because subject is third person singular, so walks. So how will you make it? Does, doesn't. Okay, past tense, the statement verb, main verb, if we have past tense, how will you make this? Did. So this is do form, we can call this. Okay, here present tense, don't. Okay, the same present verb plus yes, doesn't. Past tense, did, didn't. Okay, if we have main verb present tense, don't. If we have present tense verb plus yes, doesn't. Past tense means didn't. Okay, just let us see that here. Prem broke the window. Example, Prem broke the window. Okay, here what is the verb here? Main verb broke. There is no auxiliary verb. If we have auxiliary verb, we can take question tag. Okay, if you don't have the auxiliary verb, what is the main verb? Just we have to consider. Okay, just can take the do form. So here what I have said, if we have past tense, we can take did. So here question tag did. So okay, here this is positive statement. Okay, so if we have positive statement, the answer is negative form. Didn't Prem is male or female? Male. So he. Didn't he? That's all. I hope you all understood this one. Okay, next same. Just I change the verb only. Here, Prem breaks the window. Okay, this is present tense verb, but subject is third person singular. Here verb plus yes. What I have said, does. So here breaks, doesn't he? Question tag. I break the window. I break the window. Here I is no break. So we can take do form. Don't I? That's all. So this is do form of question tag. It's very important. It's very simple. The main verb, whether it is present or past or verb plus yes. Okay, just then we can take that do form verb. Okay, let me give on auxiliary verbs question tag. Radhika is a homemaker. Radhika is a homemaker. Okay, here what is the auxiliary verb? Yes, there is no main verb. Okay, what I have said, if we have auxiliary verb, we can take the question tag. Isn't Radhika is male or female? Here female. So pronoun here she. Isn't she? That's all. Suppose if we have subject is male, here he. Okay. Next, we will do the work. We will do the work. Okay, how will you make it? Will. So won't. Won't. Here. Won't we? Question mark. So question mark is very important. When you change the question tag, question mark. Without question mark, it totally is wrong. Okay, last one, imperative sentence. If you have it, how will you make it the question tag? Imperative sentence. Statement is imperative. How will you identify the imperative? Request, order, command, advises, suggest is called imperative sentence. The answers must be will you. If we have the command, order, request, the answers must be will you. For example, open the door. So that is on command, on order. Open the door. Okay, how will you make the question tag? So I have said that if we have command, order, request, so we have to make it will you. So will open the door. So here answer will you question tag. Please help me. Will you? Okay. Good. Just I hope you all understood this grammar. Question tag is very important for us. Thank you.